So here it is, guys. It's a newest addition to my garage. It's a 2000 VW LT 35. It's a car carrier, so I bought it 400 kilometers from my house, and it cost around $3,500 or 3,000 euros, and it got 2.8 TDI engine with 130 horsepower, and who knows the mileage on the clock. At this point it's about 400,000 kilometers, but I think it's more. The car has some rust issues, but it's nothing that cannot be handled. So I will show you the main rust spots on the car. I will show you just those on the driver's side, but it's the same for the passenger side. So the doors, the lower part of those, and they were repaired 2 times. First time to here and the second time to here, and this is the second repair. Also the side skirts need to be replaced, and I don't know about the fender because it's also had a little bit of Bondo on it, and it goes for the both sides also, and this part is also I need to take care of it. And the front windshield needs to be replaced. It's cracked, and also it got markings because of the wrong wipers arms. It's welded here, and I need to take care of with the A-pillar here, and also I need to replace one headlight and shock absorbers because I tested them and they are bad, so this is also something to take care of. The interior of the car looks not so bad, as you can see. It got some silly repairs done to it, like screws here, some switches that I don't know what to do, and it got some missing parts on the interior also, and I got some leakage on the roof, but I think it's because of the rust on those lights on the roof. And the worst part with the rust is here on the rear section of the cabin, but it will be sandblasted and repaired after I take off the platform. And the fun part about the winch is that someone did a great connection to the controller. Here is the original. I think it's broke, or the plug was broken, and someone took the normal household parts to make it work. So it's fun. It will be fun. It's challenging. So I I knew that I'm not going to buy a new car, and I knew that it will have some troubles, so I will have some troubles with it, or some parts will have to be replaced in order for the car to work properly. But the previous owner told me that the dual mass wheel and clutch were replaced for the new ones because it was damaged and needed replacement. So it's price of those parts is something around $1,800. So it's a lot. So that was also the main reason that I decided to buy the car, because it's one of the problematic parts when you driving the car and the dual mass gets damaged. You cannot drive anywhere, so it's good to have a new part installed. We did the paperwork, I tanked the car and headed home, and after about 350 kilometers, when I had something around 5 or 3 kilometers to finish the journey and be back home, I drove through the speed bump and lost all the drivability. I could shift gears without the clutch, so the car was running only on idle, and I could rev it, but I didn't have any drive. So my friend towed me back to home, and after I got some sleep, because it was late at night, I had the time to check what is going on with the car, why I don't have the drivability, and the answer was simple. The previous owner didn't change the dual mass wheel for a new one. He gave me a used one, and it snapped in 2 pieces. So that was the reason why I didn't have the power to drive, and also the clutch that he told it's new, he put in used, so that was the problem.